Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's come to you with today's looking forward video. It is about 10 after 9 on the West Coast. And let's go over the stock index futures today. Very interesting trading today. Very good trading in the live trading room this morning. Been Russell long all day, and every single time we've seen a break to the long side above any of these highs, we've gotten a minor pullback and an opportunity to buy more. And so it's been a really good day trading the Russell to the long side here. I got a little tip for you guys moving forward for the remainder of the day going into tomorrow. Something set up that you hear me talking about quite a bit. There's 3 of the indexes pushing sideways to down, and 1 being the Russell pushing higher. It's the 3 to the 1 rule. Basically, when you have 3 stock index futures trading one way, 1 trading the opposite, it doesn't make a lot of sense, because typically you would think in common sense you'd think that the 1 would go down and join the 3, but 80 to 85% of the time that's not the case. You will see the 3 go join the 1. And let's go through all the indexes right now real fast, and I'll kind of explain them. This is the Russell. As you see, the Russell here has a nice big up day. Let's go over to the S&P. The S&P is looking somewhat of a doji, and if you remember from yesterday's video, anything above 46.50 I've been long, anything below I'm looking to short. So we're definitely trading above the 46.50. So look for the S&P to start to catch some bids here, to start to get some rise maybe to the upside. But right now you notice it's a little doji candlestick there. Let's go down to the NASDAQ. You see another doji. We got all-time highs the other day on the NASDAQ, but just not able to push any higher at the moment. We're just kind of sitting here trading sideways at a doji at the moment, kind of like the S&P. And then the exact same thing here with the Dow, just this doji candlestick. So we have 3 doji-looking candlesticks today, basically sideways chop, and then we have this Russell, which has done nothing but push higher and higher and higher all day, with really no pullback. It's really on a mission. It's now created new all-time highs, which offered even another, from a micro perspective, another good trading opportunity for me about 20 minutes ago. So today's video, I'm just going to come to you basically saying, hey, I just a heads up. I see the Russell pushing higher here, and the other 3 stock indexes are kind of lagging behind, kind of staying back. So from this point moving forward, I am looking for the 3 to 1 rule to kick in, where the 3 will come and join the 1. The NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Dow will come up and start to catch some buyers, catch some bullish momentum, and join the Russell back towards the upside. So it's called the 3 to 1 rule. It's about 80% accurate, guys. It's something I use every single day in the live trading room that I run. Earlier, I was going over my history here on some snapshots I've taken over just this week, and a lot of these snapshots I've taken are they have a lot to do with the 3 to 1 rule, as you see here. I talk here about the 3 here trading sideways, and then you had the Russell pushing up this way. You had the 3 to the 1, and I talk about, this is an intraday snapshot, but I talked about the 3 pushing up to the 1. And if you look here, there's a snapshot from just a little bit later. If I drag this over, same thing applies. This is the same thing, just later in the day. You see they were trading sideways as the Russell was pushing higher. They eventually came around and started trading higher, all of them with the Russell. So the 3 turned up towards the 1. And I have several snapshots here in this log here of the exact same thing, 3 to 1 rules. Just constantly getting used. Here's another one. Just one more quick example for you guys. You have pushing higher, actually pushing down with the NASDAQ here, Russell pushing higher. So you have 3 of them pushing higher. The NASDAQ was actually pushing lower. Let's go ahead and take a quick gander here at the other snapshot here. And this is about 10 minutes later, 15 minutes later, and you see the Russell rolled over, the S&P rolled over, and the Dow rolled over with the NASDAQ. So the 3 rolled over and joined the 1. It's called the 3 to the 1, guys. That's all I ever call it. I don't really have any fancy name for it, but I did just want to give you guys a heads up, let you know that it is in effect right now. So we have the Russell pushing higher, the other three kind of pushing sideways at the moment. So see if we can catch some buyers in the other three markets and push them higher with the Russell here. So that's the day for today, or that's the video for the day, guys. If you have any questions, email me, Adam@directiontrader.com. If not, I will see you in tomorrow's video.